Hello everyone. Today we're going to talk about a rarely used keyboard shortcut in Excel, and that is the Alt down arrow. So where can you use this keyboard shortcut? So for example, I'll show you a couple of instances where you can use this keyboard shortcut. For example, here in our data, in this data set, we do have headings that have filter buttons. So for example, if I go here to the heading of year, okay, in B4, where we have the filter button here, of course you can, if you like, you can always just click the button in and use the filter options right here, right? But you can also use the keyboard, and that keyboard shortcut is, oh, you know what it is, Alt down arrow. There, okay, and of course I can use the arrow keys to select options. I'll just, you just press the space bar to remove a check mark here. For example, there I remove select all, and then I'm going to choose, let's say, again using the space bar, 2014, 2015, and 2016. Okay, and then I will just press enter to finalize my filter. There you go. See, as now my data has been filtered to show records that belong to the years 2014, 2015, and 2016. Okay, so going back there, if you again want to show the filter menu, I'll just press Alt down arrow. Well, first of all, your cell pointer needs to be at the heading here in year. Alt down arrow. Okay, let me try again. There. And then I will just clear the filter this time. There you go. Okay. Now another way to use the Alt down arrow key keyboard shortcut is if you're entering data within your spreadsheet. Like for example, these columns here, subregion, sector, and lead, for example. Okay. So for the subregion, I'll just place my cell pointer anywhere. Let's say here at A11, and when I press Alt down arrow, it shows me, well, it's sort of like an autofill list. Okay, this shows me unique items, unique entries that are found within this column, within the subregion column. So we have here Central, West, East, etc. Right? So this will help me enter information instead of me typing information, right? So for example, here in sector, I'll try that Alt down arrow. Again, it shows me a list of entries that are found within this column, and I can use any of them to enter information. Let's say a new record. Now let me try that by going to the bottom of this list. I'm going to enter a new record. I'll just press Control down arrow to place my cell pointer at the bottom, and I'll start entering information. Instead of typing a region name here at the bottom, okay, let me just show this, and I want this to be at the upper part of the screen. I'll just place my cursor here, or my cell pointer. There you go. And then instead of me typing information here, I'll just press Alt down arrow there. Okay, and then I'll just choose, let's say, Southeast, and then here let's say it's going to be 2019, and then the amount here is 22.5 and 2.8, and then here, oh, I'm going to use the Alt down arrow again there. So I see unique items within this, or within this column. I'm going to choose let's say transport there, and then here, who is the lead? There's going to be a long list, I think, so I'm going to press Alt down arrow once again, and now see there's a long list of people or leads or managers for these projects or loans. I'm going to choose somebody. I'm going to choose Alice right here. Now instead of typing the names, because especially if you have long names, they're hard to memorize, right? So I'd rather use the Alt down arrow to choose from a list of entries for the column. Okay, thank you very much. Have a great day.